Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning. Today is Friday. It's the end of the month. It's the end of the week, not the month. The month ended yesterday. April was ending yesterday. So today is Friday, the end of the week, and the beginning of a new month, which is May. Today is Labor Day. It's a holiday. Uh, most countries observe. It's an international holiday, actually, not just a national holiday. Most countries observe Labor Day on May 1st, apart from the US and Canada, which observe Labor Day on September. When is it? I think it's on September. Uh, Let me see. Yeah, Canada and the US they observe Labor Day on September, but for most countries, that's including what? Including France, Germany, China, India, Brazil, South Africa. Yeah, all those countries I've mentioned there, they observe Labor Day today. So today, expect low volatility in the market. You can see here is Friday. This is Friday. Here's what we have. You see, in China, it's a holiday, it's a bank holiday. This is Frank bank holiday, Europe bank holiday, and what else? Yeah. So the only markets open today in Japan. Yeah, they don't observe the May 1st as a public holiday. So the Japanese market will be open today. In Japan, the market will be open today, Tokyo. And the US, but we have no high impact news. But with all those financial institutions across the globe closed today, the volatility will be low. So if you've been in profit, I'll repeat again, if you've been in profit throughout the week, Fridays Fridays are not a good day to trade, because this is when most institutions will be taking their profits, and this is when you get a lot of fake outs. Is where you might lose your hard-earned cash, your capital. Uh, so you don't have to trade today. You don't have to trade every day. So let's do a recap of what we did yesterday. Is a quick recap of what we did yesterday. Overall, the month has been good to us. April was a good month. We've made some good profits this month. Uh, you can go through all the videos I've posted since the month began. Since when? Since April 1st. Yeah. Since April 1st, can go through all the videos, see all the wins we've made, all the losses, but overall the wins are more than the losses. So we've been in a good month. April was a good month for us. We've made some good profits. So real quick, this is what we had yesterday. This was our closing trade for the month. We were looking for buys. We were looking for buys above this level, potential buys above this level. Potential buys above this level. This candle closed above the level. Immediately this candle closed above the level. I jumped down to the lower time frame, which is this one here. Jump down to the lower time frame here. 15 minutes had also closed above the level. You can also jump down to 5 minutes. So this is where I got my entry from. Once I saw this rejection, there's this rejection here. Once this candle closed above our level, there was the second candle opened. It opened here, pushed down. Then there was rejection. You can see this week. This week was rejected. There was a weak rejection here. There was this weak rejection where after it closed above the level, this when I placed my this was not a buy limit. I bought here. I bought here, placed my stop loss just below this structure here. You see, this is where my stop loss was. My targets, this was my first target. Take profit 1 and take profit 2, take profit 3. And we hit take profit 3 at 11 a.m. And our week, our month was done. We were done for the week, done for the month. Because I didn't look at the charts again after that. After this trade, I just shut my laptop and that's it. So that's how we got our trade yesterday. This was good profit. This was a risk to reward ratio of 3, which is very good. The risk reward ratio of 3. So for the sales, we never got sales. We are looking for sales below this level here. We never got sales. Just got the buys. You can see after that, I told you Thursdays. If you remember what I said, Thursdays, mostly you'll see this consolidation, market moving sideways. You see, this is the market moving sideways. Today, Friday, being Friday, it's a new month. Expect some fake outs. You'll expect some fake outs. I'm not predicting the market. I'm not a prophet. I'm not trying to be a forex prophet now. I'm just telling you what I've learned over the years through experience in the market trading gold. Fridays mostly, a lot of fake outs happen on Friday. So for the sake of those who still want to trade today, let's do a quick analysis. A quick one. I'm going to remove everything. This is for the sake of those who want to trade today. Let me not shut anyone out. But my advice for Friday today, if you made some good profit yesterday like you did on that trade, just stay out of the market. Enjoy your holiday. Be with your family. Yeah. So real quick, let's do an analysis. So this is where we begin. Our monthly resistance is up here. Our monthly support down here. Jump down to the weekly. Our weekly support is down here. Our weekly resistance is still good up here. For the daily, our daily support is down here. Let's use the bodies. The support is down there. And the resistance up there. This is just a daily high, the daily low. You see? Support and resistance. So on the 4 hours, I don't want to take much time today. On the 4 hours, this is what you have. We have a resistance up here. This candle has not closed yet, so let's use this one. We have our resistance up here. If this candle had closed here, our resistance would be up here, and the support would be where this candle closed. Okay, So since this candle is still active, is where we have a resistance here and our support down here. I'm not going to touch that. So on the 4 hours, we're done. On the 1 hour, on the 1 hour is where our support is, our resistance is. Market came all the way up here, closed down here, then pushed up, came down. So the structure is broken here. So that is our resistance and our support. This candle is still active. So support, I need to pick our support. You see this doji here? Yeah. This is where we expect the market. This is where we expect resistance. Remember what I said about dojis? Dojis are levels of indecision. The buyers and the sellers were almost equal here. That's why you see these dojis here. Though this doji has a big body, but it's still a doji. Yeah. So that's where we expect resistance. Yeah. Mhm. This is where you expect support. Sorry, I keep mixing these terms, support and resistance. Okay. So this is what you are looking at 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we'll look for the right before here. There's the support here. This was at 7:30 a.m. right before the 8 a.m. candle. Yeah, there was a support here on the 30 minutes. There was that support there. And the resistance was still there. Okay, on the 15 minutes, I think this trade is long gone. No, let me see. So on the 15 minutes, this is what he had. This was 8:15. So yeah, 15 minutes still in the same. So quickly, real quick. Uh, if I were to trade today, this is where I'd be looking for my entries. So, but myself, I'm not taking any trade today. Today is family day, time to spend time with my family. Let's just enjoy the weekend, the long weekend. It just began. So here, I'm out there. You see, we're already too late for this trade. We're already too late for this. Today being a Friday, don't chase the market. Don't chase the market. Don't, my friends. So if I were to trade today, this is where I would have taken the entry from. You see, once the candle closed below this level, which it already has, I would have taken the trade from here. This trade is long gone. So this is just for analysis purposes and practice, for your own practice. This is where I would have taken the trade. But I'm not jumping in that trade today. It's long gone. It's long, but you can still jump. Nah, it's almost halfway to our TP. That's where I would have taken the trade from. For the buys, I would be looking for buys above here. I'd be looking for buys above there. For the sales, I'd be looking for sales from. I would have taken this sale from here. all the way down here. Okay, for the buys, I would have taken, if I would have taken, if we got a buy, I would want to see the market push up to these levels here. Means I would have taken this trade from here all the way up to here. So if you find my analysis useful, uh, please subscribe to my channel, allow all notifications so that you get all my analysis immediately they drop. I do analysis every morning. So subscribe, allow notifications, and like. And we'll see you on Monday. Have a lovely weekend. Happy hunting for those who want to hunt today. Risk management is key. Remember, it's Friday, it's the beginning of the new month. Uh, don't take unnecessary risks. You see, I told you this candle is long gone. But if you're chasing candle, don't chase the market. Don't chase the market. So happy hunting, guys. This is what I would be looking for. This is not an advice to trade today, but what I would trade if I was to take the market today. This is how I would trade. This is what my analysis would lead me to. This would be the potential sales, which is already potential sales below. That would mean my potential sales, potential buys above. Yeah, so that's how I would have taken the market today. But since we are too late for this, I would advise don't chase the market. Don't chase. But if your risk appetite is still high, you go for it. Happy hunting, guys. See you tomorrow. See you on Monday for a recap of the same. Uh, or I think tomorrow is Saturday. I'll do a recap of all the trades we've done, all the analysis I've done this month. See how many wins we've got and how many losses we've made. Okay. So see you tomorrow and see you on Monday for a recap of this. Uh, Happy hunting, guys. Ciao.